Hello learners, imagine you are a storyteller where you have to tell stories about past and about the years which have gone by. Which tense will you use? Yes, past tense. Past tense is like a magic key to enter into the history of all your adventures. So, let's explore the past tense in this video. Before we proceed, I have a task for you. Imagine you wake up one day and you realize that you have traveled 100 years into the past. How would you describe your first day there? Definitely you will use past tense like I saw this, I did this, there was that. So what you are using? You are using past tense. Now let's try to understand what is past tense in detail. Past tense is used to describe actions or events that have already happened. So when you were describing your day into the 100 years past, you were describing the actions that have already happened and you were using past tense. Let's try to understand it with few examples. Like, I ate rice last night. This is an example of past tense because you have already eaten rice last night. So this is past tense. Let's take another example. She visited her grandmother. So she has visited her grandmother maybe last night, last week or last year. It can be anything but in the past. It's time for us to now understand why is past tense important. For storytelling, as when we have to tell a story, we use past tense. Also, for history and news, it is used in reports, articles and biographies where we use past tense. Also, we use past tense in conversations like discussing past events in the daily life. Now we have seen why is past tense important. Let's try to understand the types of past tense. As you can see on your screen, there are 4 types of past tense. They are simple past, which are used to describe actions that were completed in the past. Another is past continuous. It is used to describe actions that were ongoing in the past. Like, I was reading a book yesterday. For perfect, we use actions that were completed before another action in the past, and we'll check out the rules and sentence structure in the upcoming slides. Also, for perfect continuous, it is used to describe actions that were ongoing and were completed at some point in the past. Now let's try to understand some rules for past tense. For simple, we use past form of the verb like she talked to her friend. Talked is the past form of talk. For making past continuous, we use was or were plus ing form of the verb. See the example, I was not sleeping. So here we have used was and ing form of the verb sleep. For making past perfect, we have to use had and past participle form of the verb or third form of the verb. The example is she had visited Paris. Now to make perfect continuous past, we have to use had plus been plus ing form of the verb. The example is he had been reading for 2 hours. Now we have understood the rules for making past tense. It's time for us to do some exercise. Let's do some practice questions. On your screens, you can see the first exercise which says you have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. She walked to school yesterday. So the answer should be walked. Since it is past tense, we are talking about yesterday. So the answer should be she walked to school yesterday. The second sentence, I read when the phone rang. So you have to say I was reading when the phone rang. The third sentence is we finish our homework before the party. The correct answer should be we had finished our homework before the party. The last sentence says they play soccer for an hour before it started raining. The answer should be they were playing soccer for an hour before it started raining. Now let's move on to the next exercise where we have to spot the mistakes. Let's do it together. The train leaves before we arrived. Here the incorrect word is leaves. It should be the train had left before we arrived. When I was a child, I am afraid of the dark. Here am is wrong. The correct answer should be when I was a child, I was afraid of the dark. The next sentence is he had went to school before I woke up. Here went is wrong because with had we use past participle. So the answer should be he had gone to school before I woke up. After the exercises, let's now understand some common pitfalls and also how to avoid mistakes. The common mistake type that is often done by students while writing sentences in past tense is mixing tenses. Like, I was eating when she comes. This is incorrect. So the correct answer is I was eating when she came. Another common mistake is overusing had. The incorrect one is I had ate breakfast before school. This is wrong. The correct answer is I had eaten breakfast before school. Now we have understood some rules and also some mistakes. It's time for us to have a look at fun facts about past tense. They are Shakespeare's English used different past forms like thou and didst. Also, some irregular past verbs haven't changed in 1000 years like cut and put. Another fun fact is yesterday is a past tense marker. Words like yesterday, last week and in 2020 help indicate when an event occurred. Now it's time for a task. The task says the day everything changed. You have to write a short story in about 150 to 200 words about a day that changed your life. Use all the types of 4 past tenses that we have learned in this video. I am sure you'll be able to write your answers nicely. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning!